Hi, I'm Anne, Senior Research Manager here at Radio Flyer. Today, I'm going to walk you through the Milestone Trike to Bike. The Milestone Trike to Bike transforms from a push trike all the way to a balance bike. So it's one product that teaches both pedaling and balancing, everything that your child needs to learn before they're ready to ride an actual bike. It goes from 1.5 years all the way up to 5, so you're sure to get years of use out of it. And one of the best things about it is how easy it is to transform between modes. Let's walk through the stages. So here in stage 1, this is our push trike mode. So in the back, we have this parent push handle, which controls the front wheel so you can steer where you're going. And it also adjusts for different heights. If your child's not ready to start pedaling yet, you can move the pedals from here on the front wheel to this location so that they can use it just as a stationary footrest. In the first mode, we also have this seat back and a nice seat belt to keep them comfortable and secure. The second stage is a push balance bike. To transform from the trike to a balance bike, it's super easy to do. All I did was grab these 2 buttons right here, push, and the legs just swing out and in like that. No tools needed at all. This stage is really great when your child is starting to develop balance. They're maybe not super confident with it, so you still have the ability to guide them from back here, but they're starting to build that balancing skill. I've also taken off the seat back, the seat belt, and the pedals for this stage. The third stage is a tricycle. So I'm going to swing these legs back out so they're in trike mode. I've taken off the parent push handle and I've added the pedals back to the front wheel. This stage is for when they're ready to pedal independently and practice and build that skill even further. Our last stage, stage 4, is a balance bike. So I'm going to bring the back wheels together again, take off the front pedals, and the seat also adjusts up and down so you can make sure that it's the right height for them. And now your child is ready to really conquer balancing. They've already learned to pedal, they've already learned to steer in trike mode. Now they're ready for maybe the hardest skill of all, which is balancing. The Milestone Trike to Bike is one product that'll teach your child all the skills that they need to know to learn to ride an actual bike. If you want more information about this product, check it out in the description below.